Welcome to Java Forum. Now I am going to show you how to install Kali Linux 2023 on VMware Workstation 17.5 with VMWare Tools. So this is my latest version of VMware Workstation. So I updated to 17.5. VMware Workstation 17.5. So let me create one new virtual machine. So browse the Kali Linux. That's the latest DVD ISO file, Kali Linux 2023.4. Okay, Linux version I am selecting Debian 12 64-bit. Okay, so it's a flavor of Debian operating system. So I am selecting Debian 64-bit. Debian 12 64-bit. So provide name to virtual machine and provide the path where the virtual machine to be stored. Next I am providing the hard disk size 40 GB and store it as single file. Next I am customizing the hardware. I am providing 8 GB RAM. CPU cores also I am going to increase to 4 CPU cores. So rest of the settings will be remain as it is. So no change. So graphical install, select the first option, graphical install. Okay, so this is the installation screen. So English should be default language and I am selecting my location. So I have reduced the installation screens. So this is software selection. So default software selection. Okay. So I am continuing with the default software selection. Okay, continue. So installation is completed. I am rebooting the Kali Linux. Okay, so this is the Kali Linux desktop. So go to settings. Options, you can see that shared folder and clipboard is enabled. Sorry, shared folder, drag and drop and shared clipboard is enabled. So I am going to run some commands and copy paste the command output. To check whether shared clipboard is working fine or not. Yes, so shared clipboard is working fine. So which means that VMware Tools is automatically got installed. No need any manual installation. So from host machine to virtual machine also I can able to copy paste the content. Okay, now let me try drag and drop feature. So I am going to try the drag and drop feature now. So let me go to host machine, go to some other folder. Okay, so I am going to drag and drop one file from here, some Windows host machine to Kali Linux virtual machine. Okay. So drag and drop is not working directly, but copy paste is working for me. So if I copy something from Windows and paste in Kali Linux Mint, it's working. Let me try one more. Yes. So use this feature. Instead of drag and drop using mouse, you can copy paste. Okay. So it's working for me. Okay, now what I am going to do, I am going to shut down this machine and enable shared clipboard feature. Sorry, shared folder. So edit virtual machine settings, options, shared folders. So always enabled. Now I am going to mount one directory from Windows Workstation to Kali Linux virtual machine. So this is my directory. So enable this share. So I am enabling the shared folder. So now go to terminal, open the terminal. So vmware-hgfs-client. So you can see that shared folder is mounted successfully, but we need to access the content. Okay, so for that, what I am going to do, login as a root user. So login as a root user. I am going to edit etc fstab. Okay, so I am going to edit etc fstab and add this line vmhgfs-fuse space /mnt/hgfs space fuse space defaults comma allow underscore other space 0 space 0. That's it. So now next step, I am going to create one directory under /mnt. It will be hgfs. Next I am going to mount all the directories. Okay, mount -a. This will mount all the directories. Okay, so in order to take effect, we need to run this daemon -reload. Okay, systemctl daemon -reload. Now you can see that shared folder is mounted. Let me open the another tab. So another tab, I am logging as a Java FRM user. Browse the shared folder. Yes, I can able to browse the content of shared folders. So Kali Linux 2023.4 installation on VMware Workstation 17.5 with VMWare Tools is successful.